Hi guys, welcome to Blitzpool Fan Zone. I'm Rohan, this is Neil, and today we're going to talk about the biggest cricket festival in India. Neil, what's your take on it?
Coming back home from the UAE. Six venues this time, a lot of schedule changes. Let's see how the team's going to live up to this.
With the schedule changes, the most important part is the teams are going to travel only thrice during the league games.
That's the thing, the BCCI has taken proper precautionary measures with the COVID cases rising.
But another thing which interrupts this thing is there's no home venue.
There is no home venue, and hopefully the teams are, I'm sure they must have figured out who to play, how to play, where to play, and they have their schedules in hand. And let's see how they go about it.
Let's see.
So Rohan, a lot of changes in the rules this time. There's one especially decision to change the soft signal. There's no more soft signal. क्या बोलता है?
Good decision. In fact, that soft signal made no sense. You saw the controversies happening in the last series. Absolutely made no sense. There was some decision should have gone with the technology you have right now. Just use them. And
I
it's a
think,
brilliant
yeah.
call.
I think Surya was batting brilliantly.
That's the catch at the fine line.
Yeah, Mark Wood took that
Yeah.
catch, and that was
The same
clearly
thing.
bounced in front of him, or touched
Touched the ground.
touched the ground, and
So-
good that the committee has taken the decision to remove the soft signal out and depend totally on technology.
And another rule which created a lot of controversy in 2019, the short run.
The short run. Oh my God.
So the
that-
third umpire now can see the short run and make changes to it. Just like what you do for the no ball.
Yeah.
Now the third umpire has the grasp on it.
Right, and I think that cost Punjab a place in the playoffs. That one single run that Chris Jordan took, and it was completed. But then the umpire or official called it a short run, and Virender Sehwag actually went on to tweet and say that the man of the match should have been the umpire and not the player who got it.
It was so controversial. It was so controversial that even Preeti Zinta came into the picture and launched an official complaint. So you can imagine the type of things which are going on and the changes which BCCI is getting into it. So it's good call. Same goes with the over rate. We have seen so much happening in this
Yeah.
last series with India. The captains are stretching it to a limit. They're
True,
stretching
true,
it to a
true.
limit. One of the games lasted more than 40 minutes over the scheduled time.
That's a long
40
time.
minutes
That's
is a
a long
long
time.
time. So now the over rate is such that the captains have to make sure that 20th over gets finished within 90 minutes.
That's a good rule, I think. What is the penalty for that? Any idea?
Technically, still no penalties.
No penalties.
It's just monetary thing, which I don't think any of the T20 leagues care about. Like it's just a monetary thing. They have enough money in their bags.
And also the no ball. As per the updated guidelines, the third umpire can now overrule a no ball decision made by the on-field umpire. This is another great decision that is taken, because usually what happens, the back foot no ball, the sideline,
Yeah.
that goes, the umpire tends to miss that one, and probably the third umpire can look into it and then call it, or probably some wrong. It's always better to depend on technology when you have it, right?
So let's sum it all. Good decisions taken this year.
Yes, I think one more decision that they could have taken is the DRS dead ball clause. We saw two incidents in the recently concluded India versus England matches where Rishabh Pant was termed out when he was not out, and the ball had actually hit his bat and gone for four.
Yeah. So good
Akash
decisions.
Chopra made a point that had this happened on a World Cup final, last ball, 1 ball, 2 runs required, what would be the decision?
With the rules, let's not go to the World Cup final because we all know what happened last time around. So let's just stick to this.
So,
Good rules.
Yeah, means I'm satisfied with it, but I would be pleased if that rule would have been changed. It's such an easy rule. You call a dead ball after the ball is actually dead, and then look at the replay, the DRS or whatever it is, and then whatever decision it is, you go ahead with it.
Tell
right?
that to Ben Stokes. Let's talk about the biggest thing in cricket right now. क्रोध वर्सेस लालच. किसका मंत्र काम आएगा?
बस ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा.
ये वक्त भी नहीं बता सकता. इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम द मैनेजमेंट hasn't figured it out yet. ये तो वक्त के पास भी ऑप्शन नहीं है ये बताने को. But we have seen different captains along this while with the cricket team, the national team, and during the T20 leagues also. What do you think, Virat, Rohit? Wait, MSD just for the fans.
No, Virat versus Rohit is going to be the first game, bhai. It can't get bigger than this. MSD I know, but then MSD is थोड़ा सा अभी पीछे छोड़ गए हैं.
We'll cut this segment for him. I don't want any MSD haters in my show.
No.
But point being, Rohit has proved that he's the best T20 captain
Five T20 championship.
compared to.
Zero.
I'm not gonna say who's zero, but
See, I'm sure Virat is a performer. He's a hard worker. He will be there. He'll get everybody, motivated and stuff. But is he getting the results? No.
we can see just the stats about it. Rohit has a win percentage of more than 59. That's just little less than what Sachin, Dhoni, and Steve Smith have had. That's the only comparison compared to Virat's 47.
See,
That's
I
a
wouldn't
huge
speak
margin.
much of Sachin and Steve Smith because they've not led a number of games in the league. But MSD, he's been exceptional. Brilliant कैसा है जो ऊपर जाता है वो नीचे आता है वैसा वाला हिसाब है. So I am personally sorry MSD fans. I am a big MSD fan too, but I think this is going to be his last IPL.
Doesn't seem like it, but he's been going on years and years, and he is performing. Not like he's been terrible at it. He has the mind.
Not what you expect from him. Let's not get there. But let's just talk about Rohit and Virat. Who's the better captain?
For me, hands down, with the results we have, Rohit Sharma.
For anybody, I'm sure. What do you guys think? Speaking of captains, Rohit, Virat, MSD, and all the others, there's a young new captain in town. And you know what? Delhi se hai banda.
Acha banda hai. Let's not speak about it, but I love that guy.
Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant is
The
the guy.
changes he's made for Indian cricket in the last 6 months, starting from fitness, he's lost a lot of weight,
Uh-huh.
improved his keeping, maybe it's directly related to his fitness, but then his banter behind the stumps never gets old.
A lot of memes on that too. No, but I think Ponting is mighty impressed with Pant. And he has his full backing. Shreyas Iyer unfortunately got injured. Otherwise, he's a great captain, a fellow Mumbai player, and a great guy. But unfortunately, Delhi guys, यार ऋषभ पंत आ गया है भाई, कुछ भी कर सकता है वो बंदा. जोफ्रा आर्चर को he's reverse scooping. My God, what a shot!
But this actually might be a blessing in disguise for Delhi.
Probably. Personally, I would like him to perform more in T20s. Like how he's been performing in the test matches or the one days. I think he still has to fire. I've said this before also. But he's going to give Delhi a different dynamics. They were great last time. Like awesome. I was rooting for Delhi last time, But somehow they didn't win. But yeah.
But it's a good thing. Even Ponting said, this can only improve a player. You saw what happened with Rohit. Sudden captaincy in 2013.
Yep.
Got the trophy.
But then,
Pant is Rohit's best friend.
हाँ, but क्या वो रोहित जितना लालची बन पाएगा?
Chennai has the biggest boost now with Sir Jaddu coming back. He was injured in, I think, Australia. Dislocated his thumb. 8 weeks done. Back into the fitness. And he was never lacking fitness anyway. But he's back. What do you think?
He's back. Definitely he's going to be back in the league. But I think he's going to have, Akshar Patel and Washington Sundar breathing down his neck. And that's going to put some pressure on his performances. It's up to Dhoni how he manages him now.
But sometimes you need that added pressure just to have that little push after an injury.
He is a fighter. He's a fighter. When Sanjay Manjrekar tweeted against him, he gave him the reply. Gave like woof, bhai sir.
तो सर तो जीतेंगे. सर जीतेंगे तो जीता के दिखाएंगे. एक दो मैच तो निकालेंगे ही. And he will play the World Cup for me.
I would love him to play the World Cup, but then he can't take it easy. Sundar or Akshar both are not as great fielders as he is. His fielding is exceptional, but with thumb,
he doesn't require it. He's a sir already. Ben Stokes again has a problem, so it's worries. So it's all worries now.
So yes, you think he's going to be in for the World Cup?
Yeah,
I think so too, guys. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Guys, bio bubble. We've heard this so much in the last, I think, 6 months. इतना सुना है भाई, ये होता है वो होता है. But Rohan, I would like to ask you कि ये bio bubble है क्या चीज यार?
Mental harassment for the players. That's one phrase to describe it. It's so difficult just to be in your room. Nothing. These players have been playing for so long. They're going out every single day after a game or whatever time they are. It's so difficult to just put them in a one room and say like you're gonna stay here for a while.
Yeah, and it's a team game. You know, they are used to like bonding with each other, speaking to each other. You know, people coming into room, playing PlayStation, probably something like that. But now, after the games, after practice and stuff like that, they're supposed to be in the room. Very taxing.
But then what the league has done, they're actually allowing the families to be with them. So maybe if not the players, maybe the families can help. It's a big thing for at least Indian players having family support.
I know. मतलब लॉकडाउन में मैं भी फैमिली के साथ था. But after a period of time,
You need your friends.
friends मांगता है.
Family बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
Friends मांगता है boss.
You can just think like Ritika telling Rohit at home.
Well,
ये बराबर पुल मार ज़्यादा पुल मार रहा है.
I wouldn't be surprised if अगर वो 90 minute का 120 minutes हो रहा है because people don't want to go back into the bubble.
वो रोहित ज़्यादा जिम कर रहा है. बोला विराट को ये टाइम मैं बीट करूँगा.
Right.
But biobubble, it's a thing which you need in the current scenario.
Yeah,
But
it's
I think
nothing
it's-
you can do.
But what Ravi Shastri again said, with players just being in the bubble with the World Cup coming through, it's a difficult thing. Again, if after the league they're going to a bubble, they need some time just to relax or to have something of their own, not to just play cricket. They are human beings at the end of the day. So there's a time where you have to realize ki, bro, you can't do much more than this. That's it.
I know. सबका mental capacity is also different. So, latest news that came in is Mitch Marsh from SRH
Yeah.
has left because he doesn't want to be in the bubble.
They got Roy back. It's okay.
Jason Roy for Mitch Marsh. It's not a like-to-like replacement.
Yeah.
But SRH have really strengthened their batting lineup.
Yeah,
Like
that
anything.
yeah.
They have backup for Bairstow now. And wow, what a backup. You saw that in the T20, right?
Amazing.
Great, but क्या बायो बबल में रहना चाहते हो?
I don't think कोई रहना चाहता.
ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा. That time of the show where me and Rohan will select our favorite teams and fight over it and probably kill each other. Rohan, कौन सा टीम है यार? फेवरेट बता दे तेरा.
मी मराठी, माझी मुंबई जिंकणार.
मी पण मराठी but SRH पण जिंकणार.
एकच जण जिंकू शकतात.
I think
There
SRH.
can be only one winner at the end of
Boss,
the day.
SRH has the most balanced team on paper.
Are you serious?
Yeah, seriously. I mean Mumbai, I know.
Come on.
अरे यार मुंबई को अभी बहुत टाइम जीत लिया. SRH का टाइम आ गया है बॉस. See boss, they have Warner, Bairstow, Pandey, Kane, Roy and who's that? Vijay Shankar.
I'm not
वो भी कर
even
लेगा.
gonna describe that Mumbai's team.
Kedar Jadhav is there. Bowlers, Bhuvi, Natarajan, Rashid, Sandeep Singh, Holder, Mujib. So many options there. How can you say that SRH is not a contender?
I'm not even
Mumbai
gonna say Mumbai's team. I don't need to. You can't say that Hyderabad's team is more balanced than Bombay.
I will
Come
tell
on.
you what, everybody who doesn't understand cricket will say Mumbai मेरा favorite team है. And that's what Rohan is doing right now. थोड़ा सा दिमाग
But it's true.
It's not true यार. मतलब वो पांच time if Rohit is the captain, if Rohit is SRH's captain, he probably win the.
So I think we should tell BCCI to remove Rohit as a captain so Bombay can't win.
No, I'm just saying कि they are there, boss. You should have the guts to support another team. I'm from Mumbai.
It's
I've
not
played
about
with
the
a lot of
guts to
players
support
from
another team. It's about the team you support since day one. It's not about the guts.
Means I personally like Mumbai too, but I think they're just too strong. यार वो लोग को World Cup में part लेना चाहिए. ये सब में नहीं.
I think someone tweeted right during the England.
That must have been
England
me, I
series.
think.
And now you're supporting Hyderabad.
Yeah, because कुछ तो competition होना चाहिए ना. Like 7 other teams are there.
Delhi's also there. Come on.
So it's like
Let's give them a fair chance. Delhi's also there.
yeah, there is, but then it's going to be like 7 teams are going to fight to play Mumbai in the finals.
That's
है ना?
true.
And
That's
then SRH is going to win. Is what I'm saying. है कि नहीं?
We shall figure this out, guys.
Yeah.
We shall figure this
ये
out.
वक्त ही बताएगा.
Technically, it doesn't matter who wins. But you can be the real winner. Log on to Blitzpools and play and have the winning wali feeling right now.
या क्रोध लालच साइड पे रखो भाई, टीम बना लो अपना दिमाग लगा के.
पर ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा.